One day, in an animal kingdom, the Lion King called all the animals to come to see him. He had an idea to play a game with all of them. He would randomly select an animal, and that animal would need to tell a funny story to make everyone laugh. By accomplishing that, everyone would be rewarded immensely with gifts and food from the Lion King. However, with no exception, if any single animal did not laugh, the storyteller would be banished from the kingdom forever. So, the Lion King selected the rabbit to tell the story. Fortunately, Rabbit was very talented and well known for being a comedian in the animal kingdom. The rabbit confidently stepped on the stage and started telling his humorous story. Every animal was laughing and clapping to the story. However, there was one exception. During the entire story time, the donkey didn't laugh or even smile for one bit. As the king of the animal kingdom, the lion had no choice but to abide by his own words. He immediately banished the rabbit from the kingdom forever. On the second day, the Lion King continued on with the game, but this time he changed the rule. The chosen one would tell a sad story instead. Every animal needed to be touched and show tears. If not, the storyteller would again be banished from the kingdom. This time, the monkey was selected for the task. The monkey was afraid and nervous. Furthermore, it's more difficult to tell a touching story than a funny joke. On the brink of the moment that the monkey thought he would be banished, he was finally able to share a sad story about his own childhood. The story was very emotionally charged, and everyone was touched and cried. However, once again, the donkey was the exception. He didn't cry or show any sort of compassion. Instead, he laughed out loud uncontrollably. Baffled by the situation, the lion questioned the donkey. "How could you be so unsympathetic? Even I was touched by the monkey's unfortunate childhood past." The donkey explained to the Lion King, "Your Majesty, I finally understood the joke told by the rabbit yesterday. It was really hilarious. I couldn't help it but laugh out loud, and I apologize for my inappropriateness." You see, the donkey, while listening to the sad story told by the monkey, was actually thinking about the rabbit's joke that already happened yesterday. Of course, he would be unaware and unmoved by the monkey's story. In this parable, both the lion and the donkey show their lack of wisdom. The lion was hasty in his decision and banished the rabbit immediately. He didn't understand that the donkey needed more time to process the joke told by the rabbit. As for the donkey, he was very slow in his reaction and lacked self-awareness. He was supposed to stay in the present to listen to the monkey's story. Instead, he was still thinking about the past, and with that, almost caused another friend's departure. Fortunately, on the second day, the Lion King discovered the truth to the situation and did not banish the monkey from the kingdom. He also made amends and sent out his messenger to bring back the rabbit who was already in exile. You see, in life, in our lives, do we make similar mistakes like the lion and the donkey? Are there situations that require our patience in order to fully understand and resolve? Are there situations and people that deserve our presence 100%? If so, it's worthwhile for us to spend some time contemplating, to take action, to improve our own mindfulness and wisdom. This is the first story empowered by Maniology. We hope you love it. Together, let's continue to inspire and empower. Have an amazing day.